Working with the National Music Service has been incredibly valuable for us to develop long-term strategic partnerships and reach many more children and young people in supporting music services and delivering high-level musical education experiences for children and young people across the whole of Wales. It's essential that we work together strategically for long-term benefit of music making in Wales. As someone who's the director of the National Orchestra of Wales, it would be great to see the young people we're working with now as potential members in 20 years' time.
The National Music Plan has supercharged music for young people throughout Wales. Here at National Youth Arts Wales, we've seen increased numbers of young people auditioning from almost every single Welsh county. But what's exciting now is that Welsh music organisations and leaders are working together in partnership. We're sharing our experiences, our data and our ideas, and we're making collaborative decisions for the first time, and this is thanks to the Music Plan. Over the years ahead, we're going to be working together to ensure that every single Welsh child can access inspirational music, from first experiences at primary age right through to the excellence of our national youth ensembles and beyond.
So none of the members in the National Youth Brass Band of Wales would have got to where they are now had they not had those first experiences, had they not worked their way through the schools and the local authority, the brass bands, choirs, orchestras, to get where they are. That's where they hone their skills, and that's where they get to a point where they can become a member of the National Youth Brass Band of Wales. And we don't want to be seen as something that is unachievable at all. You know, everything that they're doing at that local level and in their earlier years is preparing them for becoming a member. It shouldn't be seen as unachievable, but it should be seen as aspirational, it should be seen as inspirational, and that's what we want young people to do.